Welcome to the FordLogan woven wire mesh installation video on three-way connections. Begin by placing two wire mesh panels in line with the four-way post but not covering the base plate. Attach the panels to the four-way post by inserting a 1/4 inch by 2 3/4 inch carriage bolt through the top of the hole in one panel into the four-way post, connecting it to the other panel. Finger tighten the carriage bolt with a 1/4 inch hex nut. You will want to stagger these connections. For an 8-foot post, you will need 6 connections. Note, if you do not stagger or skip the holes, the third panel will not assemble correctly. This is a top-down view of what the staggered connections should look like. Also, due to the way the wires can crimp together in the same holes, we supply hex nut bolt hardware to make connections easier in tight locations. Next, place the third panel against the four-way post in the opposite direction of the base plate, forming a T-shaped structure. As in step 1, next bolt the third panel to the four-way post, but this time utilizing the skipped holes. And again, 1/4 inch by 3 inch hex bolts have been provided in the event crimped wires interfere with the carriage bolt head. After the panels are assembled, tighten each hex nut with a 7/16 inch wrench. Also, if anchoring is required, secure the base plate with a 3/8 inch anchor. This concludes the FordLogan woven wire mesh partition installation video on three-way connections.
If you have any questions, please contact us at 812-523-3044. Thank you.